Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lucidchart for ER diagram. To begin, open Lucidchart and go to the Documents area. This is your main workspace, where you can access existing files and start new diagrams. If you are on the home screen already, you should be able to find documents easily. Starting here helps ensure you are creating your ER diagram in the right place and using Lucidchart's built-in tools efficiently. Once you are in Documents, click on New. This opens the options for creating a fresh file. If you are new to Lucidchart, this is the standard way to begin any new project. It gives you a few different starting points, and in this case, we'll use a template to save time and make the setup easier. After that, click on Create from Template. Templates are useful because they give you a ready-made structure instead of starting from a blank canvas. For ER diagrams especially, using a template can help you move faster and keep your diagram organized from the beginning. In the Template search area, type ER diagram. This will filter the available templates and bring up options related to entity relationship diagrams. Be sure to enter the term clearly so the most relevant results appear. This makes it easier to locate the template designed for database planning and relationship mapping. Next, click on the ER diagram template from the search results. At this stage, you may see a preview of the template, which helps you confirm that you've chosen the right one. This is a good moment to quickly review the layout before opening it. Then click on Use Template. Lucidchart will create a new document based on that ER diagram template and open it in the editor. This gives you a working file that you can customize without needing to build every element from scratch. It's a convenient starting point whether you're creating a simple database model or a more detailed relationship diagram. Once the template opens, follow the on-screen procedure to edit it. You can update the text, adjust the entities, modify relationships, and tailor the diagram to fit your needs. Take your time here and use the template as a guide. If something is already included that you do not need, you can remove it, and if you need more structure, you can add to it as you go. The key is to make the diagram clearly represent your system and the relationships between its parts. That's it. You now know how to open Lucidchart, find an ER diagram template, and start editing it for your project.